David Michael Mirra was an American BMX rider who later competed in rallycross racing. Mirra held the record for most X Games medals in BMX freestyle and medaled in every X Games from when they started in 1995 up to 2009. As a BMX rider, he was known primarily as a vert ramp and park rider. He had also competed for several years with the Subaru Rally Team USA as a rallycross driver. He rode and was sponsored by Hero Bikes from the mid-1990s until starting his own bike company. Mirra was a member of the team which won the 2014 Race Across America four-person male category. Mirra died by suicide on February 4, 2016. He was inducted into the BMX Hall of Fame on June 11, 2016. Mirra was born on April 4, 1974 in Chittenango, New York. He graduated from California State Polytechnic University, Pomona. In the 1990s, Mirra's brother, Tim, moved to Greenville, North Carolina, to attend East Carolina University. Dave moved to Greenville soon after. Fellow professional BMX rider Ryan Nyquist moved in with Tim. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.